Alright guys, what's going on? My name's Dave. This is Dick's 4x4 Garage. Thank you for rolling with me today. So today we're working on Project Goldie. So that's that 79 Chevy K20 you see in the background there. You can see it a little bit. Last video we got out, we were working on the NP205, so we got that all together. She is ready to go. I just got to seal up a couple of little plugs on the top, but other than that, she's ready to go, so she's all put together. Now, I went to go put it together with the transmission, and then this adapter right here, I'll get you down here a little bit. This adapter was just straight coated with just gunk and grease, and like I didn't have the heart to put it back together. All right. And then our gasket was still okay, surprisingly, so I let it dry out a couple days, and then I'm just gonna silicone it up and pop it on there. And then let me get you over here. So these bolt holes is where this guy goes in like that. Now what I didn't do when I put this together originally, this thing's been together a long time, so it's not like it leaked a lot, but these go all the way through the case. So what I need to do is like silicone the bolts, get it in there, and then we should be good to go. And then as far as everything else goes, it's dirty around here because this top cover was leaking, but we've since sealed that up. You can see that a couple videos ago. We sealed that up, pulled the top off, talked about that. On the front here, I've got this cover that I need to seal up. So we're gonna pull that cover off today. We're gonna seal it up. We're gonna get the adapter. Let me get you up here. We're gonna get the adapter back in place. Can you even see me? You probably can see me. I don't know. Anyhow, so we're going to get this adapter back on, and then we're going to mate the transmission and the transfer case, and then we got a couple things to do on the engine before we can mount all of that. But I could show you potentially all the clutch setup and stuff like that we're going to do, but I have to hoist it off of the stand so that we can hook all that up. But perhaps, let's see how much motivation I got tonight, because I got to go to work tomorrow. So let's get busy. Well, you want to get this sucker hooked up? All right. Alright guys, well that wraps up, is it Wednesday? Thursday? What day is it? It's Wednesday. Wraps up Wednesday night. So if you can see over there, down on the floor, we've got a transmission transfer case together. They're chilling over there on the floor. Now next up, we got to do some stuff on the engine. Just kind of, I don't know. Just I got to replace a grommet. I got to check the PVC system, or the PCB, positive crankcase ventilation, PCB system, and make sure it's all good, because it's kind of like LS1 style, so if you'll remember those kind of like wrap around the engine, and so it's not an actual one. I kind of pieced it together, but it's functional and it works, but I think it leaks. So anyways, I got to check that out, and then what else do we got? I don't know. Well, tomorrow we'll figure it out. We'll pull a bag off, and then we'll start getting it ready to go. So anyways, I will catch you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, Thursday night, we back at it. So I think we're going to get that engine over here, get it on the hoist, and we'll put our pilot bearing in it. I know the other day I called it a throwout bearing, but you know what I'm talking about. Half the time I don't even know what I'm talking about. Anyways, I appreciate you guys that have been watching for a long time. You know who you are, so comment on the video. Tell me how long you've been watching this train wreck of a channel. Anyhow, so let's get engine over. Get the pilot bearing in there, kind of look over the engine, and we'll probably need to do something. But anyways, let's figure something out. Well, I've been looking at this thing for like the past 10 minutes, just thinking to myself that it's just so damn dirty. Like, it is freaking filthy. Like, everything about it is filthy. The front's filthy, the back's filthy. Like, it's just dirty as hell. And there's so much like junk, like build up on the intake and the valve covers and stuff. So, and I don't know if those injectors, I'm probably gonna need to clean those too. Hopefully they'll be alright, but I'll probably need to soak them in some cleaner. I had some truck ones one time that sat around too long and they did not want to squirt, so we might have to just pull them out and clean them anyway. So it's just too, I don't know, it's too dirty to put back together, man. I can't do it. And then the paint's just flaking off these mugs right here. I don't know. It's just, maybe I'll blast it with the pressure washer. Maybe I can get most of that off. I can't do it. In good faith, I can't do it. And good, look, even look at the back. Like, it ain't leaking. I don't think. I mean, look, that's all dry. But it's just, I don't know. It's just wet. And it's probably dirty right there. Just, I don't know, probably from transmission and stuff. But I can't do it. Alright, so here's the inside of the bell housing. So I think I'm going to get that cleaned up too. Alright guys, well another night's gotten away from us. So Thursday night's in the books. So it's time to go to bed. And tomorrow, Friday, we got football practice, and then after that, I'm gonna come out here. That is it. You guys take it. Oh, hey, also, I got a question for you. So you'll see this, and then you know, I'll still probably be in the works of doing it. But sitting around injectors, what do you typically soak them in something? Like, is there some kind of like secret sauce that you put them in? Your thoughts. All right. Good night. Fellas. Well, it's Monday, and I gotta work tomorrow. So I'm going to get this video done today and get it up for you tomorrow. Now, first off, before I can start what I need to do today, let me straighten you up here, is you see that down here? You see that bike? My little girl just turned 8, so I got to put that together real quick, and then we'll get on to some channel stuff. Anyways, let me knock this out. Alright, one girl bike together. It looks pretty cool. Got some pegs on it, stuff, I don't know. But anyhow, it's together. Let's get busy on some stuff. Alright, so I'm going to throw these headers on just for the bath that I'm getting ready to give it. I'm going to use these old gaskets, and I was looking at these gaskets, and you can see, like, we were definitely having some kind of leak going on, so I'm not sure if they're, I mean, they still look okay. I don't know. Anyways, we'll snug them up and see how they do. Even on this side here, you can see we had a little something sneaking past there, so at some point in time, something was leaking. Seems like, anyways. Alright, let's get these buttoned up here. I didn't even tighten it that tight. The wrench ain't even that big. She's struggling, boys. She had some bad gas in her, but I got her fired up off some brake clean and put some new fuel in there, so we'll let her run for a minute and straighten out. Alright fellas, so I think we're gonna wrap this video up here. Got the got it all pressure blasted. My pressure blaster was not happy, so it's been sitting out in the back for a couple of years, and I ran some old gas through it last time, and it took her forever. She finally cleared up, though. I thought she was gonna. She was all I thought she was gonna give it up, but she didn't. So then I let her run for a little while, and so it's all good. I probably need to service it. I've never changed the oil. I think I got that thing in like 2016, 17, something like that. So I'm a bad owner of a pressure washer. But anyhow, engine's clean. Sprayed down the Bellhousing, so that's all good. Next video, we will get all this stuff assembled, and you know what? It just takes a time. You know what I mean? Like I could have put this thing back together dirty. Like there's no way I could do that. You know, like it ain't me, and I ain't doing it. So. But, well, I mean, I put some stuff dirty back together before, but I put this stuff back together dirty. So, next time we'll get all this stuff together, and then hopefully soon after that we can get that truck front and center, and we can start doing stuff on that. But anyhow, it's a buck whatever outside, and I'm going to go in and make you guys a video. You guys take it easy. Dave out.